Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Matt Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Russia is about to begin to work on CBDC settlement systems. So let's talk about that. Then we have here a guy who is the former engineer chief of FTX, Nishad Singh, and he might have some information about Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX, which could be used against Sam Bankman-Fried. And the third topic is all about that crypto sponsors are about to leaving Formula one by one. So let's talk about all these things in today's video. And don't forget, every single day I bring you the fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I'm making you short videos from Monday to Sunday, a couple of every day, plus from Monday to Friday, these longer videos with more depth information about different kind of news. So if you would like to stay up to date in 2023, very simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. You know, you hit the subscribe button, bell button, and that's the order you have to do it, and hit the like also if you like this kind of content. Okay, it's time to look at the market, where we can see that Bitcoin is actually now not really moving in the last 24 hours. Therefore, it is $17,239 US. Ethereum pretty much doing the same, $1,327 US. Then when we're looking at the top gainers, we see Aptos in the 24-hour time frame going up 32%. Then we have Gala up now almost 10%, and Shiba Inu up actually Chile is going up here almost 5%, but these are changing here a little bit. And when we're looking at the top losers, not big ones at all, but Zilliqa is in the lead now in the top 100 with a -6%, then Toncoin 5%, and Ethereum Classic about the same, 5% down. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see here on Bitcoin that we have this symmetric triangle, and we were about to break out of this on the daily, but we didn't close above it, and we did come back. So right now we are here, so it's very close to this resistance line, as you can see it. So we will see, do we break further out? We do know that we're waiting for the CPI data from the US and core CPI coming out on the 12th of January, which is on Thursday. So that could really move the market. Right now, this is the situation where we are right now. Okay, and now it's time to move on to the first topic, which is all about that Russia is about to begin to work on CBDC settlement system. Well, the whole world is working on CBDCs, different countries, therefore Russia is here, another one. And this article is all about that Russia to begin to work on CBDC settlement system and sanctions as sanctions endure. So basically, Russia's central bank is reportedly set to begin developing cross-border settlement system using central bank digital currency, that's the CBDC, aimed ongoing sanction in response to its invasion of Ukraine. So the plans to move forward with Russia's digital ruble are expected to come in the first quarter of this year, 2023, and we'll see Russia's central bank study to possible cross-border settlement models as well. So we're going in this direction. The vice president of the Association of Banks of Russia, Alexei Voylukov, said that introducing a digital ruble won't change or improve Russia's global political situation, and trials for the CBDC platform can only be undertaken with countries that are friendly with Russian government and technologically ready. So obviously it won't change the situation with those who are not Russia friendly, but it's definitely a step forward and moving forward towards digital currency. Actually, previously, the Bank of Russia said it was looking to roll out the digital ruble by the year 2024 with all banks and credit institutions connected to CBDC's platform. So, well, this is really just, working on it this year, and maybe next year it's out already. So a lot of things happening here around CBDCs, and if you're watching this channel, then you have seen that I have talked about it a couple of times. The different kind of countries are in a different stage in CBDC development, and in a couple of years time these plans will come through, and then CBDCs will be out, and that will change A lot of things, in my opinion, especially when they will start to remove cash from the system and replace it with 100% digital currency, which is controlled by central banks, and that's also the danger of it as well, if you just think about it. So it's worth to think about how Bitcoin, how that decentralized system is working, pros and cons you can look at, but just imagine when everything will be in the hand of the central bank of your country, and they can decide about your money what they want, because they can freeze it if they wish. It's all just in digital form. Okay, just think about it. Right, next topic, it's all about that here's a guy who might have some information which can be used against Sam Bankman-Fried. So we do know that Sam Bankman-Fried's trial will continue on the 2nd of October this year. However, now everybody's collecting evidences. And now we have here the former FTX engineer chief, Nishad Singh. And it looks like that he has some kind of information. So another one of Sam Bankman-Fried's former confidants and roommates said to be engaging with the U.S. Attorney's Office in the Southern District of New York with the hope of getting a plea agreement. We do know that, the former Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison and also the former FTX CTO Gary Wang have both pleaded guilty to fraud charges. And the central to Singh's deal is information on FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried large donations to various political campaigns, according to Bloomberg. And actually, Singh personally has donated more than $9.3 million to Democratic Party aligned initiatives since 2020, and also in April 2021, the Political Action Committee Mind the Gap, founded by surprise, Sam Bankman-Fried's mother, received $1 million donation from Singh. So now he's looking for a plea agreement, maybe to survive this situation, and therefore he's willing to provide some kind of information which maybe can be used in this trial against FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried. So we will see how this will play out. Right. Third topic is all about that crypto sponsors leaving Formula One by one. Now it looks like that Ferrari has -1 sponsor, and this one coming from the crypto industry. Ferrari is, this is well as blockchain, by the way, here, and they had a multi-year partnership, but it looks like blockchain is not continuing with Ferrari in the season 2023, so Ferrari has to start without them. By the way, if you just think back, Mercedes also lost $15 million after suspending its partnership with FTX as the crypto exchange, as we know, filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Also, there's another partnership, TEZOR Foundation, also decided not to renew its agreement with Red Bull Racing. So, well, there is crypto winter, that's not the question. And it looks like that the sponsors leaving Formula One. Obviously, when crypto bull run is back, and that's different times, then again, they coming back. I would be curious how cautious Formula One teams will be in the future. If that was a multi-year partnership and now it has just finished, and therefore they cannot calculate with, I don't know how many, $10 million for next year, I don't think that it puts Ferrari in danger, obviously not, but still, it's missing money. Well, okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day you're getting the fresh cryptocurrency blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom in short form. A couple of short videos every day to keep you fresh and up to date, and also the longer videos from Monday to Friday. So subscribe if you would like to get this information on time, and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.